to our YouTube channel, and we are going to be doing gymnastics. Let's see if I can move it here. Sorry if it's so windy. It's windy today. Yeah. We're gonna have a gymnastics challenge. We're gonna see which one could do the best gymnastics skill. So let's find something to hold it. Camera. I think I'm gonna use this. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna try to stand it so you guys can see. I think this is okay. Oh my god, it's moving. Alright, I think it's just that I don't really know. Oh, shoot. Dang it.
Remember when we did the ball?
Yeah, that was fun.
Oh, finally I got a little bit more.
Alright, let's go. Okay.
Best handstand.
The first
Longest
skill.
handstand.
The first skill is the longest handstand. So let's go. Ready?
Oh, I lost.
I win. So I get 1 point.
All right, let's go.
Up to what? Ready?
Oh!
I won 2 times, so we're having 3 rounds of the okay. I'm winning 2. 2 points. Ready?
At the same time. It was the same time.
Yes. Okay, ready? Set.
Same time.
No, you went down first. You went down first.
It was the same time.
Whatever. Oh, I win. So, yeah. It's so windy. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. The other skill is a front walkover.
Oh!
The wind is blowing so hard.
That's a front walkover. Okay, front walkover. That's a.
Wait. Me first. The best front walkover. Okay, so comment down below which one did the best front walkover.
Hey, I didn't even do
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Which
Me
one
or
is
him?
the best?
Oh, what did I? No,
What's
no, no.
the- Oh, no.
I think I won that one, but whatever.
Wait.
Front limber. No, too bad. Front limber.
Front limber?
The best front limber. Comment down below which one did the best front limber. Wait, I didn't even go. I can't go with you. I think I lost. Let's go. The best.
Because there's sun.
The best front flip, I think.
No.
What's that thingy that? Front handspring.
You can't do that.
Okay, so we don't know how to do a front
I
handspring
know
yet.
how to do a front handspring.
Then do it. Okay.
I do it.
No, that was the other one. Okay, front handspring. So we don't know how to do it yet. Not that well. We know how to do
You
it.
don't
But
know how to do it.
do it then. Do it.
Then I will do it. Oh, I didn't land. No.
Ooh, what's that?
Exactly. No.
Okay.
I did it. That wasn't a front handspring. Yes, that was a front handspring.
That what?
A front handspring is like it's like a.
Oh, let's show them how to do the thingy that we did at Grandma's house.
Oh.
Which one? The second one or the first one? Second. Ready? Let's try the first one.
Wait, I'm gonna
I
use
wanna-
my.
So guys, as he's going to the bathroom, yeah. So I will be posting often. I think I'm gonna do one later. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. But we're not finished. But make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna just do something without him. Do some stuff without him. don't know how, but I can't do it fully. And I can do split. Oh, I didn't do it right. So yeah, and they feel comfortable. It's my mom. so yeah, okay. So the other one to go put some shoes on. Yes. Yeah. Just try to close the gate. Okay, so we're bringing my dog down, and if he's wild, then oh well. Come on, Tyson. He's coming down. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's a cat. That hurts. Sorry. It's okay. He's gonna use the bathroom. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't need to see. No, sit down, Chrissy. Alright, so. Oh, so he's putting some sound effects. Let me take you guys. Oh! So now I'm playing here. Alright. Go! Okay, now it's time to play.
Okay.
I'm playing here. We can play if we want to. So we might play with
Cartwheel challenge.
Cartwheel challenge.
Whoever can do the most cartwheel in 10 seconds.
Ow!
I'll put the timer on my phone.
Alright. He's gonna put the timer on his phone, so. Oh. Baby, you have to. I did it wrong. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You never know, it might be me. Comment down below who did the most. Okay. I'm not done. Okay, whoever the biggest split. No, like the one that is just up from the front. Okay guys, this is gonna be easy, but you guys have to see who can do the straightest split. The one doing that way. Okay? Oh, that way? Now we're gonna do floor. Yeah, so we're gonna do floor. The shoe's coming off. Okay, so we're gonna do floor. Wait, I was one? Yeah. Oh, I was just practicing. We could practice. Oh, let's show them the. Oh yeah, we did show them already. Alright, come on. Just practicing. Oh. I don't know what to do. Then I'll go. Let's go. Do what you did with the handstand and the split. Woo! What did you touch it? Is it this again? That's one. Wow! Get him? Go. Now, big finish. Oh, that was good. But that's not easy. Huh? A pipe is not easy. It's a cheerleading. I don't care. Okay. What number? 1 through 10. Comment down 1 through 10 and write my name or I give you like a 9.9. Okay, no, thank you. At least it's close to a 10. I'm gonna
will give you an 8.7. No, yeah, you didn't even start yet. Okay, my turn over here. My turn? You can move. Hey, come here. Hello,
what you doing?
He's like, yes, I do. He got scared? Yeah. He thought you could hit him. He's looking around. Get me. It's not. He wants you to play with him. I love you, my dog. Okay, now go. Go poop. You don't have to poop. Go do something. Okay, my turn. Don't after me. Ow. Okay. This is really hard. Like, maybe it's easy once you start doing it. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is that? Just put a J. And then for my name, just put a G. So, thank you. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. And who knows what he's doing. You trying to lick me? So guys, make sure to subscribe and comment which one's better and all of them. Whatever. What was that? He stepped on it. She stepped on it. Okay. So guys, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And yeah. And if I get to at least 50 hearts or more, don't matter. Or 20 or something. Hearts. Thumbs up. I mean thumbs up. And yeah. I will be doing other videos daily. I will start doing vlogs and stuff. So yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to the field trip, so I might post a video on going on the field trip. So yeah. Bye guys.